The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just another smartphone release. It is a bold statement, a technological marvel, and a glimpse into the future of mobile devices. A device that takes everything we have come to expect from a flagship phone and elevates it to levels that feel almost futuristic in every aspect, from design to performance. And from cameras to AI intelligence, Samsung has meticulously crafted a phone that feels like it belongs to a different era, one where speed, creativity, functionality, and luxury converge into a single device that commands attention and demands to be explored, because the S26 Ultra is not just about specs. It is about the complete user experience. In the moment you hold it, you realize that every detail has been carefully considered. Starting with the build itself, which now features an advanced titanium alloy frame that is lighter than ever, stronger than previous generations, and more resistant to scratches, dents, and drops, giving the device a premium, luxurious feel without compromising usability, with edges that are softer, more ergonomic. It's perfectly balanced, so that even during prolonged use, the phone feels natural. It's almost like an extension of your hand. While the front is dominated by Samsung's latest Infinity Flex AMOLED display that delivers unprecedented brightness, incredible color accuracy, and an adaptive refresh rate that scales all the way to 144 Hz, making every swipe, scroll, animation, or transition buttery smooth. Whether you are browsing social media, watching cinematic content, gaming, or multitasking between apps, the visual experience is immersive, mesmerizing. And unlike anything seen in a smartphone before, it doesn't stop at display technology, because the S26 Ultra is powered by Samsung's next-generation custom Snapdragon processor, designed exclusively for this flagship line, offering performance that rivals gaming consoles while intelligently managing power efficiency, AI processing, and multitasking, ensuring that whether you are streaming high-resolution video, playing graphics-intensive games, or working on productivity apps, the phone delivers lightning-fast responses with zero lag. While the AI engine learns your habits, predicts your behavior, optimizes performance, and even reduces battery consumption without requiring any manual input, making every interaction smarter, faster, and more seamless. And speaking of battery, Samsung has taken the S26 Ultra's power management to a whole new level with a high-capacity battery that lasts all day, even under extreme usage, coupled with ultra-fast charging technology that can give hours of use in just minutes. And for the first time, smart cycle preservation is included to extend the long-term health of the battery by intelligently adjusting charging patterns based on usage, meaning this device not only performs incredibly now, but is also designed to remain a powerhouse for years. But while speed, power, and display are impressive, the S26 Ultra's real superstar is the camera system, which has undergone a revolutionary transformation, featuring a 250-megapixel primary sensor with next-generation pixel technology that captures unmatched detail, astonishing clarity, and vivid color reproduction under any lighting condition. Whether it is bright daylight, low light, or nighttime, every image is rich, dynamic, and professional grade, enhanced further by a IO-assisted imaging software that analyzes every frame in real time, optimizes exposure, sharpens textures, improves skin tones, and reduces noise intelligently. So whether you are a casual photographer, a content creator, or an influencer, your photos will consistently look like they were taken on a high-end professional camera. While the telephoto system has also been upgraded with an advanced periscope lens capable of capturing distant subjects with incredible precision and clarity, providing optical and hybrid zoom levels that surpass previous generations, stabilized for smooth shots even at extreme zoom. And video capabilities are equally groundbreaking, as the S26 Ultra introduces 16-bit HDR video recording with cinematic stabilization, AI-powered autofocus, and motion tracking that locks onto subjects seamlessly, allowing users to capture professional quality videos in almost any scenario. Whether you are shooting fast-moving action, travel vlogs, or cinematic sequences. While the front-facing camera is equally impressive, producing crisp, detailed, and natural-looking selfies and video calls, ideal for creators and communicators who demand high-quality output. While the S Pen returns with lower latency, better precision, and enhanced functionality, making note-taking, drawing, document editing, and creative work feel fluid, natural, and intuitive, turning the phone into a mobile workstation, which is further complemented by Samsung DeX wireless mode, AI-powered transcription, instant translation, and multi-app multitasking, allowing users to run several applications side by side, switch between them effortlessly, and maximize productivity without ever needing a separate device, while the software experience is smooth, clean, and intelligent, powered by Samsung's AI layer that adapts to usage patterns, suggests actions, improves navigation, and personalizes the interface without ever feeling intrusive. And security is stronger than ever with Knox Vault Next Shield, which encrypts data, improves biometric authentication, protects sensitive information like financial transactions, personal files, and private communications, ensuring peace of mind in a world where digital security is paramount, while audio experiences have been elevated as well with enhanced stereo speakers tuned for clarity, depth, and immersive soundstage, perfect for music, movies, gaming, or video calls, all combined with next-generation 5G support, Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, and ultra-fast mobile data speeds that ensures seamless streaming, downloads, and online gaming anywhere. It's making the S26 Ultra not just a phone, but an ecosystem of speed, intelligence, creativity, and connectivity, representing Samsung's vision of the future of smartphones, a device where luxury, technology, and usability coexist effortlessly, making every task simpler, every interaction smoother, every photo more vibrant, every video more cinematic, every swipe more fluid, and every moment more memorable. And when you hold it, you feel that sense of power, sophistication, and potential, because this is not an incremental upgrade. It is a total transformation that redefines expectations, a device that challenges what a smartphone can do, delivering unmatched performance, groundbreaking photography, unmatched AI intelligence, superior battery longevity, premium design, and seamless connectivity, all in one beautifully crafted package. It's making it perfect for tech enthusiasts, creators, gamers, professionals, anyone who demands the best from their device. Because Samsung has not just focused on specs, but has created an experience that feels alive, responsive, intelligent, and futuristic. A phone that adapts to your life, predicts your needs, and enhances every interaction, making it more than a tool, but a partner in creativity, productivity, and entertainment. And for those in the USA and across the globe looking for a device that sets a new benchmark in the industry, the S26 Ultra is a statement, a leap into a new era of smartphone technology where innovation meets elegance, power meets intelligence, and design meets functionality. A phone that will not only keep you ahead of the curve, but will redefine what you expect from mobile devices. And once you experience the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, from its ultra-premium build and futuristic display to its insane processing power, revolutionary camera system, intelligent AI enhancements, extended battery life, secure ecosystem, immersive, audio, and next-gen connectivity, you realize that this is not just a phone you are holding in your hand, but a window into the future. A device that changes the way you create, work, communicate, and enjoy entertainment. A smartphone that challenges the limits of what is possible and sets a new standard for the flagship market. And that is why the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just a must-have gadget. It is a defining experience, a masterpiece of technology, and one of the most exciting and ambitious smartphone releases in recent history, a device that commands attention, fuels creativity, boosts productivity, and delivers an unrivaled premium experience that will make every moment with your phone extraordinary and unforgettable.